So as you can see, this is my 1400 GTR. It wasn't until I actually had a look at the radiator guard and I noticed, can't you see it there, but you might see that little bit of a blemish there. So I thought I'd pull out the radiator, and as you can see, this is the aftermath. And the reason I decided to pull out the radiator was because on the other side of that little damage on the grill was this. G'day, this is Funk's old brother, back again after a previous video where I was talking to you about some radiator repairs that I had to undertake. And we spoke about my radiator, where I noticed some damage in the core. About to head off to Bathurst in a few days' time. Sorry, to Goulburn in a few days' time. I ended up in Bathurst. I just wanted to touch base again and just let you know how that ended up. So we took it down to the Natrad dealer. They basically did a pressure test on it. It was leaking, and went ahead and made some repairs. So what I'll do is I'll see if I can get in under here now that it's all been put back together, and you may see that's the repair. So with that, we were able to continue on the ride, and everything went well. Only issue I did have was when I put the radiator back together, you might notice these two hoses that are running into the top of the radiator. One is the overflow hose, and the one at the bottom does something else. Anyway, I had those two around the wrong way. So what happened was, when I got up to Bathurst, I ended up purging some coolant from the overflow tank, and being so far away from home, that was not a nice thing. But anyway, it was only a purge. I was able to get back home and topped it back up again. It did it again until I realised that that's probably what it was. So once I swapped those two back around again, I haven't had a problem since. So it's been good, hasn't been leaking, runs at a perfect temperature. And job was done. Cost me $110, so it was a really good repair. So that's it. Everything has been great since that time. The bike has run really well, and very happy with that outcome, which could have been a lot more expensive. Anyway, thought I'd give you that update. Funk's old brother, checking out.